A few years ago, Pyeongchang was just a small alpine county in South Korea. The ski resort, 50 miles from the border with North Korea, has since transformed itself to host the Winter Olympics. New stadiums, courses, and the Olympic Village have been completely built ahead of the Games. There are still some headaches, like the fact that a North Korean delegation is coming. Some say they are happy and they feel safer having the North Koreans in town, but it's also creating some tensions. The North is still seen as the arch-enemy by part of the population. Many visitors have complained about lack of hotel options in Pyeongchang. Some will stay in the capital city of Seoul and commute every day by fast train. Pyeongchang will be at the center of the world stage for a few weeks. But once the athletes leave, some of these constructions will disappear. And things will go back to almost normal.